Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and after enjoying this half-inch drive Dewalt driver that I bought a little while ago, I went back and got the 3/8 and 1/4 inch version, and so just wanted to show you some of these and how I've enjoyed them, things I like about them. Number one, this is called their pair head and handle one, so it's a lot smoother, it's a lot thicker, a lot nicer, very smooth to hold, and so it's more enjoyable to use in general when wrenching. And so this one I've really enjoyed lately. I had lost my half-inch drive. Someone must have taken it. It must have grown legs and walked away, you know. But so I bought this one and have just really enjoyed it. This was actually like my first real trial with Dewalt hand tools, because I'm formerly just doing a lot of craftsman stuff, but I really like the Dewalt one, so they're really good. So now I'm moving on to the 3/8 inch one and the 1/4 inch, and so the main thing I wanted to show you here with these that I like is if you see when you go to move this, these will have a total of 72 teeth. So see how just it has such small increments because there's so many teeth. Okay, that really helps out when you're wrenching in a lot of, you know, if you're in a tight space and you can only move the handle this much, you know, you can still get in there and tighten the fastener. As a comparison, here's my Craftsman one that I was using, and instead of 72 teeth, it's 48. So the clicks between it are much bigger, right? So there's fewer teeth. So that was kind of the main difference between it. It's not really that big of a deal, but you do notice it as you're using it. And to be fair though, these are two different kinds. This is the smoother, upgraded version, and then this is a more traditional one. And so with that, I do have a Craftsman one that does have that same 72 teeth count on it. This happens to be the kind that you can pretty much, it's for threaded rod and things, so that it can act as a deep socket and go through, which is really nice. And I'm going to make another video of specialty tools like this that I use and which ones I've enjoyed. But anyway, it is possible to get that 72 count on the Craftsman ones. You just have to get the ones that are similar, and of course these look the same. They're the smoother, nicer metal ones. So it's not to say one brand is better than the other. It's just showing you kind of what a traditional wrench is like compared to the other ones that have more teeth on them. So that's something to keep in mind as well. And these Dewalt ones work just fine with the Craftsman sockets, as you would imagine. There's no big difference there. So just to show you, it locks on just the same as you would expect, but yeah, you can just see how minute you have on each of these little clicks compared to if you were using the bigger one. You just have a little bit bigger of a gap. So anyway, that was just something that I wanted to bring up. I'm really enjoying all three of these now, and even the 1/4 inch drive, it's pretty comparable to the 1/4 inch drive one in the nicer set, and this is how it compares to the Craftsman 1/4 inch drive. So it's a little bit different, but again, this is an upgraded one. This is kind of the smaller one with not so many teeth on it. But this is where you would most likely need more teeth, is on these smaller ones, because when you're doing these tiny little jobs where your hands are really down in there tight and you're just having to do these micro little clicks, it helps to have more teeth on it there. So anyway, both of them are going to do the job just fine, I'm sure. But anyway, just wanted to show you kind of what they look like. This one has this little compression clamp there that you can put together and remove, disassemble this, and then this one has those multi-point ones if you have to get into it as well. So anyway, just wanted to show you these three that I've been using lately, and just really enjoy the feel to them. And where I'm kind of a die-hard Craftsman guy, I really enjoyed Craftsman for the last, well, for basically my whole life. Dewalt's also a really good one to look into if you're interested. If you're going to get a new toolkit, you might as well maybe get the one that has all 3 of these drivers in it already, and then your whole new set. But anyway, just wanted to pass that along and show you, some of the difference with these. And this is just a really nice piece here. I've really enjoyed the way that they feel. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.